Hello, I'm Whisper, and welcome back to the Wastelands of Fallout 4. Now, as you can see, we have a little area here. This is Sanctuary, obviously. I'm using darker nights, so everything is pretty damn dark. And this is using my extra pieces and a bit of creative clutter and Wallmageddon and also my workshop items. Didn't put any plants in there, but never mind. I have taken a blueprint of this and now from Workshop Plus. Now we're going to go into the cellar and get the Survivalist Toolbox first set of documents. This is what we are testing here. Oh, that's the welcome, thank you. So it allows us to create another workbench. Which allows us to create a grenade, which when thrown puts down essentially a placeable workbench anywhere in the world. Apologies for the loading screen. Anniversary Edition has been a little bit tough on me. Now let's put down this workbench and get ourselves a grenade. Unfortunately, that really needs to have a better model, but the author did it this way so that he could put it on PlayStation, I suspect. Camping, workbench, and instructions. The workbench. Tall flag acts as a workbench. Short flag acts as a workbench. Ordinary looking workbench. And we will throw this grenade somewhere useful. We'll go up to the Vault 111 entrance. Maybe I should use a lighter version of Darker Nights. Or maybe I should just bite the bullet and use the Night Person perk. You know, where am I going? Yep, here we are. Building this in the darkness. Perhaps I should have waited for the morning, but never mind. Okay. Vault entrance over there. Let us see. Where's a good spot to throw this thing? Here might do. Yeah, I think here. Yeah. Okay, so try going to workshop mode. Nothing, because we're not on a workshop. Now let us get here and equip our grenade. And throw it. Where's a good spot? I think over here will do. Boom, there's our workbench. Need to give that a bit of a turn. Now, let's just check our inventory. Yep, the grenade's gone. It's a one use. But you can make as many as you want. Let's go into workshop mode. No troubles. Now that we've done that, let us... Eesh, this is dark. I think if I put down a blueprint... need wood. Wood. Let's get one of these. Yep. Wood. build our blueprint on the default layer, and we will be using that one. Now let's watch it build. Okay, the blueprint handler is under the... it's actually not bad. Let's wait for it to finish. This is something I've been wanting for a long time, but I was never particularly satisfied with how people did them. Yeah, I'm going to have to move this around a bit. Once everything completes building, says 100% but hasn't completed yet, it will do a pop-up. There we are. Excellent, good bit of thing. Thank you, Kinggath. Alright, let's put down... Where would be a good place to put a controller? Perhaps down here. So we can... Oh. Ah. Wait for the pop-up. Cancel. And now I can pick that up. Move everything connected to the blue. Where the heck can I put it? Maybe here? Should I move it over here? Maybe I should have done a smaller encampment, but don't want to put it there. I need some space for this one. So we'll put it here and see how that works. Yeah, okay, move it. Well done, Whisper. Let's put it over here a bit further, so that hopefully nothing clips through the back end. Yep. Now we'll hide this. Now the workbench is over here. It's actually got quite a good range. Appears to be about 18, 19, maybe 20 floor paces on that workbench. And here is my workbenches. One of these is dirty water. I forget which one. Probably this one. Yep, dirty water. Thank you, radiation. Oh no, that one's the radiation. Okay. So there we have Okay, out of here. That should all have been working. Yep, let's equip that. Excuse me. I have no resources. Let us see. If I can add resources to my workbench here. Extra scrap. Let's just do starter scrap as if this was Sanctuary. Now, we go screaming off to the workbench. What does transfer give us? Oh, search. And there we are. Oh, I suspect that I have crashed, probably. No. What happened there? Oh, interesting. I probably shouldn't have moved that baby. There's a little bit of a cautionary for you. Don't move it once placed. When it's down, it's down. But as you can see, it does have stuff in it now. Should be able. To create, yep, quite a bit of stuff. So that works nicely too. Now what did I want to do here? Don't remember off the top of my head. Not that it really matters, because I have that. Oh yes, I wanted to see, just to make sure that I can don't have anything there. I suspect that it has not quite connected properly. What about this one? I probably should not have moved things, but yeah, interesting. Can cook. Armor works. Workbench works if you have the materials. Presumably this will work once you get a armor thing there. Ditto for this, it should work. As long as you've got the bits and pieces. Come on. And my own player bed. Did I did not think to put down a another thing, but never mind. Well, there you go. Welcome to the Wasteland. It looks like you can go a little more mobile. Very handy for survival players. Cheers.